Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube. First one is through ad revenue. This is the most common way YouTubers earn money. Once you've enabled monetization on your channel and have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. Google AdSense manages this. Second one is through YouTube Premium revenue. YouTube Premium subscribers pay a monthly fee to enjoy an ad-free experience. A portion of their subscription fee is distributed to creators based on watch time from YouTube Premium viewers. The third way is through channel memberships. You can offer channel memberships to your subscribers for a monthly fee. Members often get access to exclusive content, badges, and emojis. This feature is available to channels with over 30,000 subscribers. Fourth one is merchandise shelf. So if you have merchandise to sell, you can use the merchandise shelf to promote your products beneath your videos. Fifth way is super chat and super stickers. During live streams, viewers can purchase super chats and super stickers to get their messages or stickers highlighted in the chat, often as a way to support creators. Sixth one is through sponsored videos. Brands may pay you to create content around their products or services. Ensure that these collaborations align with your channel's niche and interests to maintain credibility. Seventh is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services with affiliate links in your video subscriptions. You earn a commission for every sale you make through your affiliate link. Eight is sell digital products. If you have digital products such as ebooks, courses, or presets, promote and sell them through your video or video descriptions. Ninth is crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi allow your most dedicated fans to support your work directly by making regular contributions. 10th is workshops and consultations. If you're an expert in your field, offer paid workshops, webinars, or consultation services to your audience. 11. YouTube Premium revenue. If you have a large audience, YouTube might fund the production of premium content for its subscription service. However, this is typically reserved for established channels with a significant following. 12. Public speaking and book deals. Successful YouTube channel can lead to speaking engagements and book deals if you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Lastly, licensing your content. You can license your videos to be used in TV shows, commercials, or other media for a fee. And that's it, guys. Subscribe for more at Simplified E-Biz. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.